Hi, class. As I said last week, I'll give you an extra day to pass in the discussions, even if they are graded. But remember, this week it's a 50-point discussion, right? So that's all that's due. So you really want to make up for any missing discussions or work by doing this. And this full discussion is you're going to just simply discuss three causes or three effects of an illness, right? And this is everyone's going to be doing COVID-19 and the effect on your life. Could be COVID-19 has caused me to work at home, be more, wear a mask, or the causes would be because I did this, this, and this, I ended up with COVID-19, or because people do this, this, and this, they end up with COVID-19. So either causes or voted. Now, the idea of this is to segue into the final paper, which we'll talk about next week. But remember, full discussion responses, your initial post, and then at least two responses by Sunday night. Okay, good luck, and email me if you need me. And Thursday, 11:30, I will be in the office hour.